Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to turn on creator mode on LinkedIn. So you go to your LinkedIn app. After downloading the app, at the top left, you see your profile picture. You click on it and then you click on view profile. You scroll down to the resources section, which is private to you, and then you click the first option that says creator mode. After clicking on it, you swipe down and then you click continue, which is at the bottom right. And then you can see the creator tools that are available and you can add some topics to your profile. So after selecting whatever you wish to select here, you click on done and then you can go to your profile. It has been turned on. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.